Hello everyone, welcome to Happy English Kids. Unit 9, Food. Find the pizza. Find the pizza. First, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Find the pizza. Number 4. Whoa, sorry. What is this? It's noodles. Number 7. Oh no, it's a sandwich. Number 1. Oh no, it is soup. Number 10. Sorry, it's a sandwich. Number 2. Sorry, it is cheese. Number 8. Yeah, it's the pizza. Right, let's see. Number 1, soup. Number 2, cheese. Number 3, hamburger. Number 4, noodles. Number 5, soup. Number 6, rice. Number 7, sandwich. Number 9, cheese. Number 10, sandwich. Thank you.